Here are top 10 car features that will save you big money. Millions of drivers are still driving blind today without knowing this. Your car is hiding features that could save you thousands of dollars, and 90% of drivers have no idea they even exist. Feature number 1 alone could stop you from wasting money that your car is secretly draining every single month. Most drivers don't realize that they are spending way more than what they should. But here's the crazy part. Drivers don't even think about. Your car already has hidden features designed to save you this money, but you don't use them. What's the biggest mistake? Now you need to concentrate because today I'm exposing all 10 secret car features that can literally save you thousands of dollars and balance your cost of living. So make sure you stay until the end because feature number 1 is the one dealership hope you never use. Let's start with feature number 10, Eco Mode. That little eco button, they say eco mode makes the car slow on the highway, but some drivers say they never realize or feel any difference. Today, you need to know that eco mode can save you fuel by 5 to 10% if you drive around city. Here's how eco mode helps to save you money. It reduces fuel consumption significantly in city driving. If you drive daily in traffic, eco mode can save you good money. Imagine if you spend $2,000 a year on gas. That's up to $200 saved every year. And you didn't even have to change your driving. Feature number 9, cruise control used correctly. This option helps you maintain a set speed without the driver needing to press the accelerator pedal. It enhances comfort on long, consistent speed journeys and can improve fuel efficiency by limiting unnecessary acceleration. So, today, you have to understand that cruise control isn't just for comfort. This system stabilizes speed and speed fluctuations burn fuel. On highways, cruise control can improve fuel efficiency by 7 to 14%. That is massive, but here's the secret. Long highway commuters, this feature alone can save you good money annually. Feature number 8, automatic start-stop system. A lot of drivers don't even know they have this feature in their cars. Some drivers know, but they hate the actual feature and turn it off immediately. They think it's annoying, but think about this. If you sit in traffic for 10 minutes per day, that's 60 plus hours per year of idling. Means you are leaving the engine running while the vehicle is stationary, and this burns fuel, and fuel is money. This means you are burning your wallet. Start-stop systems reduce idle fuel consumption by up to 8%. If you drive in heavy traffic, this can save real cash. And less idling also means exhaust emissions, better air quality, and less engine wear. Feature number 7, maintenance reminder system. Next time you have your service done, please ask your mechanic to active or reset this option for you to make sure you always get a reminder message when it's due. Trust me, this maintenance reminder system is huge because your car tracks. Ignoring maintenance reminder system will lead to costly repair and other risks. Changing oil on time costs around $60 and replacing the entire engine costs $4,000 to $8,000. This maintenance reminder system exists to prevent all that. It's not just called a reminder, it's also called a wallet protector. Feature number 6, built-in diagnostic system, OBD-II. This is one all dealerships really don't want you to understand. Every car made after 1996 has an OBD-II port. Imagine you're driving, then engine light comes on. Most people panic. You call dealership, they will say to you that we need to inspect it. Only diagnostic fee costs from $150, but you can buy a $25 OBD scanner, plug it in and read the code yourself. Do some research to find out what that code means. Many times I have seen the result comes as loose gas cap issue or minor sensor issue. Now, once you know the problem is, you can buy and take it to your local mechanic to get it fixed for very little fee. And what happened next is that you just saved huge amount of money for this feature alone can save thousands over ownership. Feature number 5, tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. We have this sensor here that works with your car dashboard, a system that monitors air pressure inside the tires and alerts you, the driver, that one or more your tires are underinflated. Most people ignore this tire warning sign on the dashboard here. Ignoring it is a huge mistake. Your tire pressure monitoring system isn't just a warning, it's a money-saving machine. You need to know that even 5 psi airdrop is still significant enough to affect fuel economy, increase tire wear and potentially cause handling issues. That's hundreds of dollars wasted, plus your safety at risk. Keeping your tires properly inflated can help save your wallet from burning. That's easily $400 to $800 saved over time. So why don't you make a schedule and check your tire pressure every month instead of waiting until you see warning light on dashboard or until you change tires? Feature number 4, tire rotation reminder. Moving a vehicle's tires from one position to another. Tires are expensive. Today, a full set of tires cost from $600 to $500, depending on your vehicle tire size and the brand you want. If you don't rotate tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles, your tires will wear unevenly, then you will be forced to replace them early. Regular tire rotation can extend tire life by 20 to 30%. That's potentially 1 to 2 extra years of use. If you convert, that's serious money saving. And your car already tracks mileage. Before doing tire rotation, please make sure if it's recommended, because it's not possible on all cars, specifically those with staggered, non-rotatable or directional tire setups. Feature number 3, transmission manual mode. A lot of automatic drivers don't know this feature exists. Some of them do, but rarely use it. You have to know that manual mode lets you when a driver uses this manual mode. This option will provide highly effective engine braking downhill, and that will help reduces. Imagine brake jobs can cost from $300 to $900 depending on cars. Using manual mode smartly can extend brake life dramatically. You have to understand that in every hidden power, there are hidden savings. Feature number 2, remote window control from key fob. Many modern vehicles allow you to control windows remotely with a key fob. Remote window control allows you to open or close car windows using the key fob, usually by pressing and holding the lock-unlock button for 2 to 3 seconds. You can just hold unlock and all windows roll down. Why does this save money? Because entering a hot car and blasting AC immediately burns fuel aggressively. This is why this system is good, so that you can just open windows first, let heat escape, then use AC, less strain, less fuel usage, longer AC compressor life. This small habit delivers big savings over times. Finally, the feature number 1, owner's manual. This is something a lot of drivers don't know. Some of you know it, but probably the most ignored money-saving feature ever. Listen to this carefully. Your owner's manual tells you using premium fuel when your car requires regular. You're throwing away hundreds per year. Many cars don't require premium fuel, but people just assume they do. So when you keep on making this kind of mistakes, all comes to dealership's profit, but not your necessity. Why people are ignoring to read owner's manual. This piece of book will help you a lot. An owner's manual literally tells you how to save money. Now let me give you the last trick. Adaptive cruise control and driver assist systems in modern cars like those from Toyota, Honda and Ford can optimize speed and braking better than human drivers. That means less harsh braking, less tire wear and better fuel economy. Technology is ready to save you big money if you let it do its job. My biggest question is, which one of these features were you not using? Comment below and drive smart.